Welcome back to my Coursera Python for Everybody series, and we're taking another quiz today in week 5, so let's take a look. Here we go, it's the quiz on chapter 3. Okay, first question. What do we do to a Python statement that is immediately after an if statement to indicate that the statement is to be executed only when the if statement is true? You indent the line below the if statement. Second question. Which of these operators is not a comparison or logical operator? Equal to sign. Question 3. What is true about the following code segment? Depending on the value of x, either all 3 of the print statements will execute or none of the statements will execute. Okay, question 4. When you have multiple lines in an if block, how do you indicate the end of the if block? You de-indent the next line past the if block to the same level of indent as the original if statement. Moving on to question 5, you look at the following text. It looks perfect, but Python is giving you an indentation error on the second print statement. What is the most likely reason? The most likely reason is you have mixed tabs and spaces in the file. Question 6. What is the Python reserved word that we use in two-way if tests to indicate the block of code that is to be executed if the logical test is false? And the answer is else. Question 7. What will the following code print out? It'll print out small, all done. Question 8. For the following code, what value of x will cause something else to print out? This code will never print something else, regardless of the value of x. Question 9. In the following code, which will be the last line to execute successfully? Line 1. Question 10. For the following code, what will the value be for ISTR after the code executes? -1. And I've completed the exam. Time for my results. 100%. Now it's time for you to take the test. All the best, you're gonna do great. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more problem-solving videos like this one. Until next time, stay problem-free.